Okay, World Wide Web, large subscribers, guys. What's going on? It's me, Marlon, Bennett, guys, and I'm back for another stacking traffic YouTube video, guys, and I'm also back. I can't even remember what video this is now. For I don't know. I'm gonna say my third official We Got Friends video review, right? And so I'm really excited. And so when I first saw We Got Friends, and when my sponsor actually sent me a link, I think to it, I was really excited about it from the very beginning. And I was excited about it because of the affiliate traffic brokers, because of my new affiliate traffic brokers marketing system and the stacking traffic series inside of there, because We Got Friends, it fit perfectly inside of the scheme in terms of the stacking traffic series inside of the affiliate traffic brokers. So now I'm really super pumped and super excited because we still are relatively quite a few days off before the actual official launch, or should I say, before We Got Friends actually unlocks. And so I decided to put together a series of videos actually that really fall right into place. They're actually congruent with the We Got Friends platform and what I'm doing inside of the affiliate traffic brokers. What my goal is, right, for anybody who's still inclined to join our team, and we have a tremendous team that's growing, by the way, is to be able to join We Got Friends, or anything you want to join, right? It doesn't have to be We Got Friends, but be able to join today and be able to get traffic today, right? Because we know right now, guys, we're sitting inside of what we call a free launch, really. People are locking into positions, right? And I'm watching this thing and I'm seeing this Nitro line is growing all the time. I was actually fortunate enough to start a little bit of advertising, and I think I brought about 5 people inside. And by the way, I apologize to you guys. I've reached out to some of you guys. I don't know if you guys realize, I can see you when you come in, and so I send you emails. I actually, if you guys look inside your members area when you join, and you see that I am in fact your sponsor, then reach out and I will actually give you an actual copy of the stacking traffic video series, guys. That it's really cool, and you really can start driving traffic right now today. And I implore you guys to start driving traffic right now today, whether it's for We Got Friends or anything else. And so in the affiliate traffic broker stacking traffic series, that's what we do. So anyway, it's a great time now during this free launch to get in and start stacking traffic. Start driving traffic into your We Got Friends lead capture page. But I got some cool alternatives that I want to talk to you guys about today, because everybody's doing it, guys. You see it's hot, right? We Got Friends is really hot. And I'm really excited about it. Now, I just want to talk about a couple of alternatives, and this is so cool. And anybody who actually joins, you're going to get this. You can actually create what's known, and I'm going to show you guys so many different examples of this, but it just fits right into the scheme. How we can create what's known as a lead magnet, right? A lead magnet, which is pretty enticing to anybody or who's looking to generate more traffic in this instance. And so by creating a lead magnet, I'm talking about some of the best lead magnets you guys are going to see. Then what we can do is what we want to do, should I say, is give our prospects something that they already need anyway, right? Like, because a lot of people already got a business already. So if you start right out offering another person another, just to say a traditional business opportunity, then they might not be so inclined to opt into your lead capture page, right? But with a lead magnet that should speak to I'd like to think it's some, very enticing solution to a problem, right? That's what it is. We want to solve a particular problem, and so with the right lead magnet, let me show you guys what we're talking about. With the right lead magnets, guys, we can bring a plethora of people onto our list using something that they're already looking for anyway. Okay, and so in this instance, I'm talking about my starter login ads Rolodex, right? My starter login ads Rolodex, which is rolled into the affiliate traffic brokers marketing system, which puts all of our emphasis in this instance on starter and login ads, right? Now, if you guys are not familiar with starter login ads, I can tell you that they're probably some of the smartest advertising you're ever gonna implement, right? Starter and login ads. Why? Because everybody logging into these types of platforms, a full page ad, a starter ad, a login ad, people call it different things. But everybody logging into these platforms, your ad is actually the first ad that people are going to see, if that makes sense, right? And so I put together a Rolodex of resources that you can pick up starter login ads in. And true to its caption, guys, we're talking about jumping in front of tens of thousands of people, prospects, right, who are already interested in your types of products and services, right? They're already interested in them. The people who are logging into these, they already know what's up, right? They already looking for a decent traffic source or another decent traffic source, a better way to market their business, maybe sometimes, occasionally, right? Another income stream. But with the lead magnet, you actually give yourself a lot more latitude to prompt people, if you will, to opt into your list, right? But what we want to do, guys, is let's take the thing that we know everybody already needs, or let's say 99.9% of all people in any business and any kind across the whole wide world need is traffic. But what if that thing also complemented everything? You know, it complements everything that they do because it's not in conflict with what they're doing. They need more traffic, right? And you can use the lead generation resources inside of my login starter ad Rolodex to generate traffic every single day. So why did I create the lead magnet? Because everybody, right? Everybody who's doing business of any kind, or a lot of them, are my potential prospects, right? So I want to drive traffic into a lead magnet that entices a lot of people with something, if they're in any business of any type, already want and already need anyway. And get this, it complements, that's the key word here, guys. It complements, right? It complements what it is they're already doing. They don't have to do anything different. In fact, it'll help them do it better, more better, right? So I've created a series of lead magnets, right? Like this, that you guys can actually pick up. And guess what they do, guys? Okay, let's look at what they do. They take our prospects right to the very thing that it is they're looking for. The login starter ad Rolodex. So inside of this Rolodex, I have a plethora, like I said. It's actually more than this. Right now, you're looking at about 7 different places that you can go and just literally, instantly take your URL, your affiliate link. We got friends, people, lead capture page. Hello. And start driving those people directly into your We Got Friends lead capture page. I said the goal was to be able to join something today, a business opportunity, whatever it is, even if it's not We Got Friends, and be able to advertise for it today, right? Well, with starter and login ads, you can do that. And you can do it for pennies on the dollar. Many of the resources inside of my Rolodex are actually, you can get a lot of these starter and login ads for $2 a pop, guys. $2.50 a pop. You guys have seen some of the videos I put up on YouTube, right? Or inside the training. It's not going to break the bank. And you're going to be dead center, right up front, up close, and personal as these people are logging in to these login ads. And they're all here. They're all waiting for you. The perfect lead magnet. But guess what, guys? Hold on to your seat. It gets even sexier than that. Because guess what, guys? These people already want more traffic. They need more traffic. We can't get enough of it. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the page, guys. Right? Because we're going to triple dip with this. All my leads lead people, right? Right? Guys, you can have this page. I give you guys the share code, right? And guess what, guys? Your prospects, they already want more traffic anyway. They want the login starter ads Rolodex. Why? Why? Because they can jump out in front of all these people, right? We're going to take them from our lead magnet onto our bridge page where we can open it up and unlock the Rolodex. And then guess what, guys? We're going to take our prospects a step further and we're going to invite them, right, from your page. This won't be my page, guys. It'll be yours. Right over to actual We Got Friends lead capture page, if that makes sense, guys. Okay, so let me see, can we get there? So we take our prospects right over to the Elite Get Down. This is totally optional. They don't need this. They may not want this, right? But we're taking them there anyway. We might as well, guys. It's a free ride, right? Right? It's a free ride. They're coming through in a dynamic lead magnet, right? They're coming through to pick up something that they want anyway. And then at the end of it all, guys, they're able to pick up, or we can introduce them, if you will. Let's go back one. Let's see, can we get back one? Because I actually clicked the button below that video, and I can set these pages up for you guys. If you don't, even if you didn't want to set it up yourself, I can set it up for you in less than 15 minutes. But you can set it up your own self if you already have a set of your favorite advertising sources, and hopefully they will be login types of sources in this instance, but I got them for everything, not just the login starter ads, but this is specifically for login starter ads. You want to join something right now today? You joined something last week? You want to get traffic for it right now today? Then you can do it inside the login starter ads Rolodex. And you can piggyback with not just We Got Friends, but with anything you want to on the back end as your prospects come through that dynamic lead magnet that took them over to something that they already need anyway, right? And let's watch this, guys. Also, my Leads Lead people, for people, and there will be many, who will opt to join Leads Lead, hello, additional income stream, hello, new teammate inside of Leads Lead, who ultimately, if they understand the awesome power of Leads Lead, will upgrade inside the system. We're not even talking about what's going to happen, guys, as an affiliate traffic broker, because you become a reseller of every, well, not every one of them, but almost 90% of all the resources located inside the login starter ads maximizer, right? That's just a simple teaser, guys, because I got you, right? We want to be smart advertisers, right? We want to get more traction for our business. Again, whether it's for We Got Friends or anything else, then the login starter ads Rolodex maximizer is where you want to be. I just showed you guys what you actually get instant access to. And guess what, guys? Look, this is not a typo. I got other instant traffic and lead generation resources that unlock automatically inside. All of which I'm building individual wow, guys, I'm so excited. I'm losing my thought. Individual teasers, right? Individual wow. Come on, Marlon. Come on. I'm so excited, guys. This is lead magnets, right? For each and every one. But each and every one also unlocks a plethora, again, of additional instant lead and traffic generation resources. And get this. I'm talking about automating the traffic. Like you guys are familiar with safe lists and traffic exchanges. I use them. You'll find them throughout the membership. But I don't really care to go in and do a whole lot of surfing and clicking and surfing. So 90% of the resources, those bonus traffic lead generation resources inside of the actual affiliate traffic broker marketing system and the membership and where these lead magnets lead to, we're talking about instant traffic. Well, you'll see. I can show you better than I can tell you. Anyway, again, super pumped and super excited, guys. I hope that anybody who's seeing this video, if you're already inside of We Got Friends, big props. Congratulations. If you log into your We Got Friends membership and you see me as your sponsor, guys, by all means, reach out and I'll kick all these resources over to you and anybody, right? In earshot of the video. We really just one big team, guys. That's all we really are, right? And we should always be helping each other get to the next plateau in our businesses. Anyway, guys, keep your eyes on that nitro line. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next Stackin Traffic YouTube video.